This document outlines the operation flow of a cabinet type HFC 227EA Clean Agent Fire Suppression System. The system is designed to protect fire hazard enclosures without requiring complex pipework. Its cabinet-based modular design allows it to be deployed independently or in combination with multiple units to protect larger designated protected areas. The standalone cabinet-type suppression unit is installed directly within the protected area. It does not require a dedicated distribution piping network. Multiple units can be simultaneously activated through a central fire alarm control panel to protect larger areas. When a fire begins, the smoke detectors detect combustion particles and send an alarm signal to the fire alarm control panel. The FACP activates the audible and visual notification appliances located inside the protected area, alerting personnel of a potential fire. As the fire progresses and temperature rises, heat detectors are triggered. Upon confirmation of both smoke and heat signals, the FACP enters the pre-discharge countdown phase. During this delay, the HVAC systems, related ventilation equipment, and opening sealing devices shall be automatically shut down. Audible and visual notification appliances outside the protected area are activated to warn personnel nearby. At the end of the countdown, the FACP activates the electric actuator connected to the container valve. The pressurized nitrogen drives the HFC 227EA agent out of the storage cylinder and through the built-in discharge nozzle within the cabinet unit. The agent is rapidly dispersed into the protected space to suppress the fire. Once the suppression agent begins discharging, the discharge pressure switch sends a signal to illuminate the discharge indicator light mounted outside the room. This serves as a clear warning. Do not enter. Agent discharging. During discharge, the pressure within the protected enclosure rises rapidly. When the internal pressure exceeds a preset threshold, the pressure relief vent automatically opens to balance the pressure and prevent structural damage.